Hello guys, my name is David Issa. In this video I'm going to be showing you step by step on how you can create your website for free. In order for us to create our website and launch it on the internet, we need two things, which is domain and hosting. I know you'll be asking, what is domain name, what is hosting? Basically, hosting is a place where our website files are stored on the internet, while domain is the name of our website. So these two things need to be paid for, but don't worry guys, I'm going to show you how you can get it very cheap. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using Guarantor.com, their web hosting website. So I'm going to visit Guarantor.com. When you click on Guarantor.com, here is the link here. It will bring you to their home page like this. What I need you to do is to scroll down on the page. You scroll down, you get to this place. This is the place where you input the name you want to use for this site. The name you want your website to carry. Is it your name.com? Is it the name of your business.com? Any name that you want your business name to carry, the name that people will visit and see your files, your content on the internet. So here you are going to type in the name and search for it if it's available on the internet. I'll click on, this is the name I'm going to be using. So now I'm going to search if it's available. I'll click on this search button here. I'll click on it. Now it's searching for the availability of this name I'm going to use. Okay. It's still searching, as you can see on the screen. Okay, you can see these are the names available. You can see, but I don't want this .ng. I want to go for .com.ng. So now what I need to do is to click on add. I'll click on add. It will load. Now what you need to do is to come down here, because we need an hosting. This is the domain name now. That is, the name is going to be this.com.ng. So when you scroll down here now, we are going to add hosting to this domain name. So you click here. As you can see, it's bringing us to this page. Here is this is where we select the hosting package that we are going to be using for this. But our advice, we go for this. Since you are starting small, let's start with this. I'll click on order. This is the domain name that we are going to be using. I'll click on use. Okay, here is the logic now. You are going to be getting this domain name for free. And how we are going to do it, you under the billing, you click on the drop button here, then you select the annual. You pay it per year, that is per year. So when you click on it, you can see it has updated. So we are getting the domain name now for free. All you need to be paying is just $13.30. And if you check on the internet now, $13.30 to Naira. You see guys, we are going to be paying less than 6,000 Naira for a year for the hosting and domain. So now we need to go back here. So you need to click on continue. So here you need this, you check this box, because we'll be needing it when we are creating our website. So you click on continue. Okay guys, here is the page where we make our payment. If you are a new customer, it will prompt you to sign up. You put in your name, your first name, last name, email address, phone number, your address, the state, the country. Then you select the method of payment you want to use in making the payment. Easy PayPal, bank, your ATM card, the payment method you want to be using, then you continue. But for the purpose of this video, I've already bought a domain name and hosting that we are going to be using for this purpose. So I just want to show you on how you can go about it in getting yours. After finishing, you click on order, you make your payment. They will send you a mail containing your details, the domain name, the hosting, everything in it. So when you finish making your payment, now we are going to go to the second stage. By the time you search in, you go to web browser, you searching for your name. Okay, this is the name I'm going to be using for this video. This is the name I paid for, the hosting and domain I've already paid for. So we are going to be using this for the purpose of this video. So if I click on refresh, you can see the website is empty because we've not done anything on the website yet. So now we are going to the next stage. After you input your name that you paid for, what you need to do is to add in /cpanel. Then you click on enter. This is going to direct us to our cPanel interface where we are going to log in to download, to upload our website WordPress into our website. So I'm going to log into my cPanel now. When you put in /cpanel, it's going to take you to a page like this. That is when you use the details sent to you on your mail when you paid for the domain name and hosting. To avoid confusion, I think let me just log into my mail and show you the mail they sent to me when I pay for the hosting and domain. Okay, here is it. Here is the mail from Guarantor. As you can see, there David Issa. This is the details. You can see the hosting I bought as a then. This is the domain name. This is the amount I paid. And if you go down below, you see, okay, you see login details. This is my username. This username is the one you are going to input here. Well, you can see this is the password. So it's advisable when you get the password, you change the password to what you can remember at any point in time. This is the mail I'm actually talking about. So now let me go to my cPanel. So I will log into my cPanel now. I'll input my username and my password. Then I'll click on login. So right now we are in our cPanel interface. Like we know before now, if we go to our site, if I refresh, you can see the website is empty. As you can see, the website is empty. So I'll go back to my cPanel interface. So here now, what we are going to do on this page now, we are going to install WordPress to our website. Basically, that is where we are going to be doing 95% of our website design. We are going to be using the WordPress. So I'm going to go down. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. Then you click on it. As it's loading, it will bring us to this page. On this page now, what you need to do is to click on install. So here now you check for the latest version of the WordPress. Okay, yeah, you leave it at this. Then I'm going to take out this. So here is the name of the site. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave it like this, but for you, you can title the name of the site you want. Okay, let me just change it. The name of the site, I'll put it like this. Then you can type in description. Okay, let me type. So here now, this is where you need to be very sensitive. You input the username that you are going to be using. The username, me, I'm go for this. While here you input the password that you're going to be logging to your WordPress, that's your website back end. So I'm going to hide my password here now. So I'm going to change the password. So here, all you need here is your email address. You can use your email address. This is your admin email address, so that anything you're doing they will be sending a mail to that same email. Me, I'm going to be leaving it like this. I'm going to be leaving this place like this. Then I will scroll down. You scroll down, then you click on install. As you can see, our website is installing. We'll give it a few minutes. As you can see, it's installing. Wow, you see, congratulations, the software was installed successfully. This is the details. This is the one we are going to be using to log into our back end. So now when we go to our website now, this is how our website is before. If you click on refresh button now, let's see what happens. Okay, you can see the website has changed, but don't worry about the design. We are going to work on that as we continue. So now we need to visit our website back end where we can be doing our design. Like I said, we are going to be doing most of our design, the file, the content, the picture. We are going to be using the WordPress backend. So we're going to visit this website now. I'm going to open it on a new tab. As you can see, it's loading. As you can see, you can still see our URL here. So it's logging us to our website. This is our website back end. This is where we are going to be doing most of the design, the content, the picture. This is where we are going to be doing it. Me, I like to leave my dashboard very, very clean. So I'm going to dismiss this. I'll close this, I'll close everything on the dashboard. Close this. Click here, okay. I'll take them off. Okay, as you can see, it's very, very clean. First thing you need to do, like me, like I said, I need to I love to keep my website clean, so I'm going to go to all posts. So if we visit our site, you can see this post. So I'm going to delete them. So I'm going to click on it, move to trash, apply. Okay, we'll go to trash, then I delete. Going to visit page, all pages, I tick all of them, select here, move to trash, apply. Go to trash, tick all, delete, apply. Go back to dashboard. Okay, if we refresh our site again, you can see nothing is here. So now what we need now, we need to install a plugin that we are going to be using for the purpose of this video. We are going to now, to install our plugin, you go to plugin, you go to install now, install plugin here. Okay, this is by default. I'm going to delete these ones, delete. So I'm going to add new. To install the program, I'm going to click on add new. Okay, I'm going to search for a plugin called Elementor. It's a page builder, website page builder. We'll be using this Elementor to make the website creating very easy for us. As you can see, it has opened. Then you click on install now. Then we search for contact form, contact form 7. Then we click on install. So now we can go back to the install plugin. It's loading. Okay, look at the plugin we installed. Then we tick them and activate them. You click on apply. As you can see, it's activated. So now we need to, when we go to our site, as you can see, the site is empty. We need to install a theme that will beautify our website page. So now we need to go back. We'll go to appearance and we go to themes. To install our theme now, we add on new. Then we search for a theme called Astra. We are going to be using Astra. Okay, here is it. Then we click on install. And we click on activate. So now if we go to our site, this is how our site is looking. But if we click on refresh, you can see now our website has changed. The interface has changed. So now we go back to our plugin here. Here I will love to keep this site clean, so I'm going to delete all this theme by default. going to click on it and click on delete, click on OK. I'll do the same to the rest. I'll click on it, click on delete, click on OK. It's deleting. I'll click on this, click on delete, click on OK. Okay, error. Click on it, click on delete. Okay, now it's successfully installed. Now we can see thank you for installing Astra. Did you know that Astra comes with dozens of ready to use starter templates? So we need to install the starter template plugin to get started. So we click on get started. So here you need to select Elementor. Remember, we installed the plugin Elementor. So here you need to select Elementor. Okay, it's loading. As you can see, our starter template are uploading. They are loading. Here you can select out of these thousands of starter plan template, which one do you want to use to customize. There are a bunch of templates here. So for the purpose of this video, we'll be using this template. We search for digital agency. So I'll be going with this. I'll click on it. As you can see, when you click on it, you look, is this the kind of website you want? Don't worry about the content and everything. I will show you how you can do and edit and make everything yours. So you scroll down. Now what you need to do is to click on import complete site. So I'll click on import complete site. Okay, you select, okay, you'll select beginner. I'll select myself and I'll click on next. Okay, I'll enter my name here. I'll enter email address here. Then I'll click on submit and start importing. So now it's loading. It's loading our website. As we can see now, it said import successfully, which means our website has been imported successfully. For us to confirm, let's go to our site now. This is how it looks before. When we click on refresh button, let's see what happens. It's loading. It's loading. Wow, you can see our website, our template has been imported successfully. You can scroll down to see the complete site. You can scroll down to complete this, to see the complete site. Don't worry about the content. I will show you how you can edit and change everything to yours. So we can see, which means it's successfully. Now that we are in our dashboard, I'll go back to our site again. This is the site we import successfully, as we can see. This is the site that we import successfully. You can go to the other pages. This is about page. is built in. This is about page. You can scroll down to see the pages. This is the services page, the service page. You can scroll down to see the pages. This is our contact page. You can also scroll down. This is where your customer gets to reach you, call you, send you an email. Let's go back to the home page. Okay, now the next step that we're going to do is to edit our website. The content on our website, the image on our website. We would like to edit the website to turn everything, to make everything ours. So the next step that we're going to do, remember guys, when we are starting this video, we uploaded a plugin. We installed a plugin called Elementor, and that is the plugin we'll be using to edit this website now. So now I'm going to open this website on another tab. Okay, now we are on the Elementor page now. Now for us to be able to edit any content on the site, or the images, or add content on the site, or the button, we need to click on any place we want to edit. For example, now if I want to edit this text here, I'll just click on the text here. You can see it appears here. So let me say I'll write welcome to my website. So you can see it's taking effect immediately. Welcome to my website. Okay, let's say I want to change this button text here. I'll click on it and I'll say contact us. As you can see, it's changing immediately. That is how you are going to change all the text on the website, the images. That's the same process. Even the other pages, the about page, the service page, the contact page, the text there, the images there, that's the same process you are going to use in changing them. Let's say for example now I want to change this image right here. All I need to do is to click on the image here. It will appear here. Then I'll click on it here. There are two ways. It's either you have it on your media, you've already uploaded it here on your media, then you can just select it and click and upload it, or you upload from your device, maybe from your computer. You save it on your computer, you just click on there, you search for the image, you click on it and upload it. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using the image already on the media here. So let's say I'm going to use this image here. I'll just click on it and click on insert. As you can see, it has changed automatically. That is how you can change any image on the site. You go down here. Let me say I want to even change this text here. I'll just click on the text here. I'll now add mine. So you see, this is how easy it is to edit all the text on the entire website, to make everything professional and make everything contain whatever you want it to contain. That is how you can change all the text on the website. When you are done changing the text, the images, the button, the links, the next thing you need to do is to click on this update here. When you click on this update here, what this means that it will automatically save everything you've changed on the website. The content, the message, everything you've changed on the website, it will automatically save it. Now to confirm that, we need to go back to our website. Look at this, is how it looks before. Create your amazing business website. When we click on the refresh button now, let's see if our changes are taking effect already. Okay, it's updating. Oh wow, you can see our changes has been affected immediately. You can see it. If you scroll down here, you can also see the image here. Yes, the image here has been changed automatically. You go down, you can see what we've made changes. So that is how you can make changes on all the entire site, including the about page, the service page, the contact page. That is how you can change everything on the site. Now, after making your changes on the site, now let's go to the header. Now, if you want to make image, change anything, maybe the logo here or the content here, you want to change it, all you need to do now is to go on the customizer. If you check up here, you see customize. You click on this customize. You can see it has opened for us. So what you need to do, if you go on top of it, you see this icon here. So when you click on this icon, you click on this icon, you can see here, all you need to do, if you have your logo, you just click on remove, or you click on change image. It will take you to the page where you can download, you can upload it. You upload your logo, it will now show here. Then what you need to do is to, after doing that, it's loading. After doing that, your logo will be here. It will appear here after uploading it. Then you click on publish. Then now we need to go back to our dashboard. What if I want to add an image? You may ask a question like that. What if I want to add a page, another page to my website? All you need to do to add a page to your website, you need to come here, you click on new. You see that you go to your dashboard, you go to page and click on add new, or on your website you go to new and click on page. Okay, you close this. Let's say we want to add a page called blog. You need to do is click here. After typing the name of the page, you click here and click it again. What this means, it's going to publish this page immediately. As you can see, page publish. So what we need to do is to edit with Elementor. Now the page has opened here. So here now you can start writing or customizing wherever you want, how you want that page you want to add to look like. We can do this in two ways. You see that we started from scratch by writing. Maybe you want to add a heading, you can just bring it here, drop it here. Okay, now you can write your text. So maybe you want to add an image, you can go back here, you drag and drop this image here, then the next thing you need to do is to click here to upload the image you want to add there. Let's say you are adding this image there. you click on it and click on insert. You can see it has inserted the image. That is how you start, and you start the page from scratch. The next one I'm going to show you, which is the easiest one and the fastest ones. Let's close this one. Let's close this page. We need to go here and click on this button here. What this does, that is going to take us to this page where we can see different templates. You see that we click on this, or let me go back, or you click on this icon here. It's either of the two ways. So here you can select any of the pages and add it to your website, to the page you are creating. Let's assume we are taking this page here. I'll click on it and I'll click on insert. Okay, before you access the template, the library of Elementor, you need to create an account, which is free. If I click on get started, let me take you to the process. You can see if you already have your login details and password, you need to put in your email and log in here. But if you don't have an account, you just click on create account, then you fill in your details and click sign up. Then you have access to log in here and have access to the template on the Elementor library. So me, I'm going to log in because I already have an account with them, so I'm going to log in to my own. Okay, me, I've logged in, I've imputed my email and password, I've logged in. It's taking me, it's downloading the template. As we can see, we've uploaded the template successfully. Here is it. So the next step to take is to edit the template to fit your page that you want to add. After editing the text and everything you want to edit, the next thing you do, you click on update. So it's updated now. So now when we go to our site, it's loading. Okay, we can see the page we just added is not showing here. There's one step we need to do to make that page to appear in this page at the top here. So now to add the page we just created to our top menu here, all we need to do, we need to go back to our dashboard. We'll go to appearance and go to customize. Then when we are on this page, we search for menu, we go under menu, we click on menu. Now you click on this top menu, we'll click on it. You can see this is our home, about, service and contact. These are the ones that are showing here. To add the one we've created, you click on add item. This is it here, blog. Then you click on it. You can see is here already. Then you click on publish. As you can see, the page is already added to our website. Then here you can now cancel. You can now go back to your dashboard. Now that we are in our dashboard, let's go to our site again. When we refresh it again, okay, now we can see our blog is now added to our site. That is how we can add a page to our website. If I click on it, you can see it's the same as the site we imported while we are creating the blog page. You can see it. So let's go back to our home page. After successfully adding your blog page, the page we just created, to our website, the next step that we need to do is to work on our footer. So we scroll down to our footer. We need to work on this area. We change the text and we change the copyright here. So how we are going to do it now, we are going to go back to our dashboard. On our dashboard, we go to appearance, then we click on customize to bring us to this page like this. So in this page is either we go to our footer builder, or we scroll down here. We scroll down to the footer level. So on the footer level, we click on this icon. So on this icon, so now to edit this text, you can click on this icon. So now we can add the text we want to add. You can add your text. After adding your text, you go to the next one. On this one, we click on it. On this one, we have a page we created which is not added. We can click on add, which is this block. We click on add here. Is added. Then we can go back. You can see it's added here on this same page. That's the same way you can do to all the pages. You click here. So you can change your address, your email address, your phone number, that your customers, the people searching for you, your clients will be able to reach you. You can input it here. The last place you need to go on, you work on, is this place, the copyright. So now we can change the copyright. Okay, let me change the copyright here. Change. You need to, after adding your text here, the next thing, when you are done changing the text, everything you want to change here, the next thing you need to do is to make sure you click on this button, publish. Then you can click on this button. It will take you back to your dashboard. While we are on our dashboard, let's visit our site and see. Then we click on refresh. So you can see every changes we made has taken effect. So that is how you can work on your site, work on every part of your site. As we can see, our site is ready to go live. Our site is ready for our customers to visit, for our client to visit and get all the information they need about our services, about our product, about the information, about anything we offer on the online. For now, I will say this is the end of this video. If you like what I've just teach you, if you learn anything from this video, if this video impact you in any way, please click on the subscribe button below and make sure you click on the notification bell below, so that anytime I drop a video like this, pass any information like this, you will be the first to be notified. I remain David Issa. Okay guys, in case you have any question, anything you want me to clarify you about, please, you can comment on the comment section below and I will be there to answer you. Thank you and bye.